I'm gonna show you guys how to make this candy using condensed milk and butter, which is optional. So if you have condensed milk, let's make this. I have these two condensed milk available. I'm gonna cut them. Trust me, you do not need this machine to cut it. You can use your knife or a tin cutter. I was gifted this by my auntie, so I thought I might as well use it. So I'm gonna cut my condensed milk and then set our frying pan ready to be used. So I'm gonna add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of butter. This is optional. You can use vegetable oil, whatever oil you have available. This helps your condensed milk not to stick to your pan, especially when you're not using a non-stick pan. So I'm going ahead to pour in my condensed milk. Now all you have to do is to keep stirring, because you do not want to burn it, because it can actually burn. So you just keep stirring till it comes together. This is after 3 minutes of stirring, and I knew my condensed milk candy is almost ready. You can see the changing color, the changing how it's all coming together. So when you see that your pan is coming out clean, like everything is sticking together, your condensed milk candy actually is ready to be enjoyed. For whatever reason, I lost the footage of me rolling it, so I'm gonna tell you guys. Into 2 parchment paper, you tear parchment paper into 2, one on a flat working surface. You pour your condensed milk candy on it. You place another parchment paper on top of the first one, and then you use a rolling pin to roll it out. You need to work fast at this stage. You roll it out and you use your knife or scissors, whatever you have, to cut it and then into desired shape. It doesn't have to be perfect. It can be round, square, whatever. You can even break it with your hand, as I am doing right now. All you need is the taste, and this candy can be enjoyed by everybody. I hope you guys did enjoy this video as much as I did making it. I'm so sorry I missed that footage of me rolling it out. But then this is what we have now. Please do well to subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already. Give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.